Today I am reading Medicine Pulsatilla from the book Soul of Remedy, book written by Dr. Rajan Shankaran. Pulsatilla is a plant. The remedy belongs to the psychotic miasm. The main feeling in the pulsatilla is that of softness. It is like a windflower which must bend to every gust of the wind in order to survive. Translated into the human situation, it is a feeling I will survive if I will soft and gentle, not hard and rigid. It is as if there is an inner weakness in the pulsatilla woman which is not able to face the hardness of the world. Consequently, she tries to cover it up by finding a soft, caressing, gentle people from whom she can get the tenderness she so badly misses and needs. In sense, there is a kind of childishness, gullishness in Pulsatilla. She remains stuck at the puberty and is afraid of even facing a man or of facing a sexuality. In order to get the affection she needs, she herself can be very affectionate and caring. She can weep easily, is sympathetic too. If she is not able to get what she seeks, she feels extremely forsaken, as if alone in the world. Pulsatilla can be servile, mild, submissive. What is less easy to see is the selfish motive behind it. Behind this affection is greed, jealousy, and desire to get all the attention for oneself. The patients are always emulated by weeping and from consolation, even though sometimes they can also have silent grief. There is a tendency to get easily frightened and to suffer ailment from fright. In my observation, most Pulsatilla persons seem effeminate. Effeminate means gullish. They are very dependent and seem to invite a warm caresses or hug and word of the sympathy. Their mood change easily. They can take religiousness to the point of fanatism. Pulsatilla can develop strong fixed idea regarding the religion like Thuja or about the food. In the physical sphere, Pulsatilla has a pain and aches which are wandering and shifting in nature, reflecting the feeling in the mind on the body and never rigid and fixed like the complaint of the Cilicia. Therefore, Pulsatilla and Cilicia are opposite to each other in expression, although the internal feeling in both is yielding. Silesia is so obstinate, rigid in his views, and Pulsatilla so mild and irresolute. Cilicia is aversion to consolation, while Pulsatilla crave for it. Cilicia is so egoistic and Pulsatilla is so humble. Cilicia is hard and Pulsatilla is soft. Cilicia is chilly, cannot tolerate the draft of air, and Pulsatilla is hot and cannot live without fresh air. Pulsatilla grows on a sandy soil and is often indicated as an acute of the Cilicia. In Indian classical music, Rag Dhir Shankar Bharnam, Shankar Bharnam, Rag Dhir Shankar Bharnam, corresponding to the Rag Ahalya Bilavat, seems to correspond to the Pulsatilla. It brings out feeling of warmth and of losing the warmth. In the Indian proving of this raga, the feeling of warmth and love come up strongly, while amongst the Western audience, the feeling of sadness and loneliness comes up more prominently. Physical symptoms are the main physical confirmatory symptoms of Pulsatilla are as follows: despair, open air. Desire, open air. Suffocation in warmth, closed room. Thirstlessness. Menses stain indelible. Several menstrual problems. Position in sleep is with hand over and under the head. They take long before falling to sleep. They crave what disagree with them. These are symptoms I have seen often, and rubrics are carried, caresses, and desire to be. Delusion alone she is always. Delusion world sees alone in the. Delusion neglected his duty he has. Despair, religion, despair of salvation. Fear, man, dread, fear of. Forsaken feeling. Grief, silent, submissiveness, faith, selfishness, servile, obsequious, submissive, yielding disposition, weeping, consolation, ameliorat, ailment from jealousy, childishness, and Kant says, thus small quantity for often. This is all about Pulsatilla.